Good morning, investors and traders. In today's segment, we'll be talking about Bitcoin price, which is dropping once again. And the question which investors are asking is why is that? Why Bitcoin price is dropping again? So we will have a deeper discussion on this topic and see where those important support and resistance levels are. Before we do that, as always, the brief disclaimer is right in front of you. If you guys have any questions, feel free to come back to me. Very briefly, a bit about myself. I come with a wealth of 15 years of trading experience. During this time period, I have worked as a hedge fund trader for Bank of New York Mellon and as an equity trader for Bank of America. Currently providing services as a chief analyst to EverTrade. Now, guys, one thing that we all need to keep in mind is that markets do change, because just 2 days ago we were talking about this massive positive upward momentum in the price on the 4-hour time frame, and now the price has changed its direction. Why that has happened, why that is occurring, of course, that is the market phenomena which we'll be talking about later in the video. But in order for you to stay up to date with this kind of information, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel so that you get all the latest information the moment we send that kind of video explaining the moves in the market. Now, when we look at the daily time frame, the first thing first, what is quite important over here in with respect to that is that we have three different moving averages. As always, this is your 50-day simple moving average, followed by that is your 100-day simple moving average, and finally your 200-day simple moving average. When the price dropped into this area of support right over here, we talked about the price possibility of moving back to the upside to here. Then price dropped back into this area over here. We talked about the price moving back to the upside. Then the price dropped back into this area, and we talked about that. Look, this is becoming too weak, and we are not too confident whether this particular move is going to continue. But then again, the price did move slightly to the upside, and now that particular move is fading. The chances are the price is going to violate this time that critical sort of a $30 price zone, and we are more likely to move to the downside when it comes to Bitcoin price. Really, why? Because the price is telling us again and again that the move is just not supported by the bulls, because over here when the price did move to the upside, we were expecting the price to break above that 50-day simple moving average, because the distance between the price and the moving average was kind of narrowed. Like, for example, look at the price moving average over here, look at the price over here. There was an enormous distance between the two, and that was confirming to us that, okay, the chances are that the current sell-off is going to slow down, obviously, because the price went from all the way to here, and there was a lot of distance, and we will see a rebound in prices, which we did see over here. But at the same time, it was very clear that the bull rally is not going to start. Why? Because a bull rally is only going to start, and perhaps it starts only when the price is trading very, very close to the 50-day moving average, and then we see this move back to the upside. The price begins to break the moving average to the upside, but that hasn't happened. Now, as you can see, that today's sell-off is kind of quite intense. Well, the reason I'm saying that is because look at the distance of the price from its moving average. That is increasing quite rapidly, and that shows to us that look, that there is this more sell-off to continue. Now, for me to really look at this particular zone and be confident about the price bouncing back from here is very, very little. Now, of course, guys, if you like the content, please do give a thumbs up. Now, going to the question that where the price can really bounce back if the price will fall from here, then the chances are that the price is more likely to bounce from this particular area of support of 21,000 to 24,000, as you can see from here. Now, if you were asking me why this particular area, why the price is likely to move above from this area, because when I look at on the left hand side, I see this area of consolidation as a very important area of consolidation, with the prospects of price moving sharply to the upside. Because remember, when the price ripped to the upside, we saw this momentum, and then yes, we did see that momentum to the downside, but afterwards the price went all the way towards its all-time high, if you remember from here, because then the move from here onwards was really all the way to that 65,000 price level. So we do believe that this area over here does have a strong potential for the price to move to the upside right from here. However, at the same time, I do wanted to draw your attention to another important area of support where the price could potentially also find its next support, and that area is right around over here, that 25,000 above this area. The reason that I am saying that is that there is this sort of a consolidation which happened for a very few days, and the price kind of ripped to the upside, because when we moved from here, the price reversed its direction to here, and what consolidation did happen. So now if the price moves back to the downside, then this area of support, as you can see over here, could potentially see the price coming into and then moving to the upside. So of course, we will continue to monitor everything and provide you more update on that. And if you like it, if you want us to continue to do this movie in these sort of videos, please do give a thumbs up. That's all for now. See you guys next time.